Hi, this is Phil with Klang. The world of immersive mixing has seen a massive simplification with Digico version 1742 and KOS 5.5. Today, we're going to integrate Klang step by step into an existing Digico IEM session, getting your artists clanged up in no time. As an example, we are using the following session as our starting point. 10 stereo in-ear mixes, just shy of 50 input channels, some effect returns and subgroups, and a bunch of snapshots. First, we need to plug some cables. A DMI Klang is simply inserted into slot 2 of our console and connected with a network cable. Klang Vokal also needs a network cable between control and console port. We can run audio via MADI or Dante. Conductor is not much different. Aside from the network cable between control and console, our big boy can, amongst other options, live on the optocore loop. After adding our devices to the audio I/O ports on the console, DMI Klang and conductor channels 1 to 64 on optocore are immediately ready to go. In case our processor should be connected via MADI or Dante, we need to let the console know that Klang is on the other end. As we want this to be done in all snapshots at once, we're going to use the added range function. Now we're going to name the ports Klang 1 to 64 on both send and return side. Auto-naming makes this super quick. Don't forget to confirm added range. Klang conductor channels 65 to 128 are named in a similar way. Klang 65 to 128. Next up, we want to tell our console how to talk to Klang. Of course, we need to ensure that all devices are in the same subnet range. For further information on this, please follow this QR code. We're gonna want to enable the console's external control, optionally suppress OSC retransmit, and add a Klang device with its IP address. Enabling the Klang interface rewards us with a green OK. To bring Klang into our 10 auxes, we want to tap the top of the aux master channel strip and ripple route Klang into the merge input, which is off by default. Of course, we need it switched on. Now we need to send some audio towards Klang by using the channel's direct outs, ripple routing 40 channels. Klang automatically sets itself up with naming and stereo links. Aside from input channels, we can also directly integrate subgroups into Klang. The process is exactly the same. After enabling map channels in the external control window, we are ready to mix. But since we already have a decent starting point in the console auxes, why don't we just start Klang where we left off in stereo? Let's take a look at some workflow tools. We first want to import the stereo aux levels into Klang. This function can be found in the external control window. In case we do not have a chance to go fully immersive right from the start, we can even import the stereo panning from our aux sense. With that done in our first snapshot, we could bring Klang into all of them. Enable map channels, import levels and pans, update snapshot, and repeat. Now it's time to ease ourselves into the transparent world of immersive in-ear mixing. Let's begin by placing our audience mics in 3D, just where we see them. Lead vocals can get a prominent spot as well. And we can take the tracks and move them to the back. These small tweaks already increase the transparency of our mix dramatically. Klang app offers one more way to find a great immersive starting point. Quick positions are spatial presets, tailored to specific instruments and psychological priorities. Learn more by scanning this QR code. If you want your positions to stay the same, while snapshots only change levels and mutes, Klang Position Recall Save is your friend. Lastly, never forget to save your console session. Klang will automatically follow and recall the next time you load your session. Happy immersive mixing! As always, please get in touch with any questions, suggestions, and stories and pictures from stage left. Till next time.